AirGuard dust collector range and ProGuard process filter range from Dustcheck will keep the air in your facility clean, protecting your employees and machinery from the potentially harmful effects of dust exposure. The circular construction is suitable for all applications and industries, but specifically provides the strength required for high-pressure vacuum conveying systems and is a hygienic design for the food and pharmaceutical sectors. All units are available with dirty side or clean side filter element removal, with the screw thread interface meaning elements can be easily removed and replaced tool-free. AirGuard bodies are available with a horizontal explosion panel, vertical explosion panel or flameless explosion device for indoor use and to meet ATEX and DESIR standards and regulations. All ST1 and ST2 dusts are catered for as standard. Units are supplied with a hybrid door, hinged for ease of access but will also lift off in tight spaces. The new and improved controllers are available as differential pressure type for both the ProGuard and the AirGuard ranges. On the AirGuard range, the wiring and differential pressure tubing is run in a conduit along the side of the unit, and matrix wiring is included as standard, with a single cable daisy chain to each solenoid valve and simple push-in and screw lock into the cleaning controller. The AirGuard and ProGuard ranges are both suitable for positioning in an ATEX Zone 22 area as standard. Units in both ranges are available in both carbon steel painted and 304 stainless steel contact versions, with carbon steel parts painted in a dark grey matte finish. Other colours are available on request. For more information on the full Dustcheck product range, visit www.dustcheck.com.